Hey everyone, Tim with A4 Outdoors, and today we're going to be putting on some lower doors on our X3 Max. I got some Tusk lower doors from Rocky Mountain ATV, and these are, I'm going to start off by putting on the rear, which is the hardest. You've got to cut a hole and right in the cover of the hinge to be able to put a bolt down through the bottom of it. But they look like really nice doors. They look super heavy duty, and they have the gasket material all over, for dust and stuff like that. Seal already on it. Comes with the bolts. Here we've got to take off this little small door section. I've got the broom kind of holding it up, but we'll start by taking these two bolts. There's the head of them, and then the nuts on this side. So we'll take this and we'll take this off. There's also one right there. So we'll take that out. We'll save this bolt. We'll go ahead and save these bolts. I think it comes with these two new bolts and this one, but we'll reuse this short one. But I'll go ahead and take this off here in just a minute, and we'll take the new doors and bolt them on. Okay, so I took the hole saw and went right through here, which it really sucks, but there's the bolt hole right there, so you can, when we stick the bolt up through there, I'll use a pair of little needle nose pliers and I'll fish the nut on the top of it, and then we'll just tighten the bottom. There's the hole. If you can see the head of the bolt, what I would recommend is the kit comes with long bolts, and it comes with these two kind of rounded washers, thick washers that go on the tubing. We'll do two, put two on this one on this side and one on the inside. Getting this bolt in, the other two are a breeze, of course. Look, that's no problem, or three. This one is kind of like playing Operation as a kid. This was a pain. You should probably drill a bigger hole. I wish I would have drilled a bigger hole. But I had to take a pair of needle nose and just pinch the washer and hold up on this once I pushed that through, and then kind of set it on top of the bolt. Then the same with the nut, just hold it on there, and then I could stick my finger and kind of hold it on top. And then, so I used this, and it's like a quarter of a turn at a time. I mean, it takes forever. These, you can use a ratchet socket, no problem whatsoever, but this one is a pain. But it's finished, and we are about to move on to the front doors, which I think there's no drilling or cutting or anything like that. It bolts up pretty easily. There's the back door. It closes really good, seals up good, just like the other one. I did the other one already. And here's it's perfect. I mean, it's solid and seals up great. And here is the finished product. The fronts are super simple. You just remove the two bolts here that have the little small triangle shaped, like little quarter door on it. So, and that pops right off. And then the hardware that's provided with these lower doors are this bolt, and this bolt. The shorter one goes here. The two longer ones get I put a flat washer on top and use the two washers provided here. Bolts right up. Flat washer on the top. Feed it through the arm, right through there. Nut. Same here. This one's a little bit hard to get the nut on, but not bad. You only have to use the nut and then the flat washer, or the round if you don't have this. So once you tighten those three up, you just kind of eyeball it to shift the door left or right, and this thing seals perfectly. I mean, it's great. I just shut the door. Boom. There it is. Alright guys, like this video here at the bottom if you like it. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.